Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Want to block any website on your PC without using extensions or third-party software? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using Command and the Windows host file. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Notepad as administrator. To modify system files, we need administrative privileges. 1. Press Windows S, type Notepad, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. 2. Click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Step 2. Open the host file. Now, open the file that controls website access. 1. In Notepad, click File, Open. 2. Navigate to this location. C, Windows, System32, Drivers, etc. 3. Change text documents TXT to all files, then select the host file and click Open. Step 3. Add the website to the block list. At the bottom of the file, add the following lines: 127.0.1.example.com, 127.0.0.com. Replace .example.com with the website you want to block. This redirects the site to your local machine, making it inaccessible. Step 4. Save and apply changes. 1. Click File. Do not use Save As. 2. Close Notepad. Step 5. Flush DNS cache. Optional but recommended. To ensure changes take effect, open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter and your system will clear the cached records. Step 6. Test the blocked website. Now open your browser and try accessing the blocked site. If done correctly, the site will no longer load. How to unblock a website. If you ever want to remove the block, simply 1. Open the host file again. 2. Delete the lines you added. 3. Save the file and flush the DNS cache using Command. And that's how you block any website using Command. No extensions needed.